intensity. Now let's take it up one more level because it's time for the Intense 5.
Number 5.
Earlier this week, Cartel revealed he's living in Florida. He wants to avoid certain places in Jamaica, so he made the decision to move. He gave us a semi-tour of his house, and all I can say is it nice bad. Cartel, do you think we're happy for you?
Number 4.
Diddy is on the hunt for a female lawyer and the clock is ticking. I'm sure we all know why, but he says that she must be willing to fight for his freedom.
Number 3.
So after Sean Kingston and his mother were convicted on criminal charges, they've been on home detention waiting on sentencing. However, Sean was ordered to pay $100,000 bond fee. He didn't pay it, so the feds scooped him up this week. Well, I guess he never feel like being locked up again, so they paid the $100,000 and he's back at home with an ankle bracelet.
Number 2.
Mommy Rocket run the place. Shelly Ann Fraser Price clocked in gold again at her son's sports day, dominating the parents' race like it's the Olympics. Her son got his own gold medal and hubby participated in tug of war. But the real star was Shelly, champion on and off the track. Yo, she does them. And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, China releases luxury brand vendor list. China just dropped receipts, literally, exposing the vendor list for a number of top luxury brands. From bags to bling, now we know exactly where it's coming from. Transparency or tangle. Either way, the luxury tea at. By the way, Sheen lovers, after April 25, the price gone up, so do what you gotta do. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember, we drop all the scoop every day on our page. Just follow us on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Titchfield celebrates their second school challenge win. We're soon forward.